What does this Lego motorcycle has to do with dispatching? Maybe you're thinking. For me, it changed everything. I stopped teaching people how to become independent freight dispatcher. I want to share everything with you. Don't start your independent freight dispatching agency until you watch this video from start to finish, because I will give you everything. 100% honesty, total transparency. I'll share the numbers, meaning how many students I have, how many students succeeded, how many students failed, and why they failed. And some of my students who started independent freight dispatching agency, they're making really good money. And I will give you everything that you need to know if you're interested in becoming independent freight dispatcher. But before I go into this, I want to share the story. But before I share the story, I want to share numbers. And numbers go like this. 30,000 people, less than 10% of these people, imagine it's about 3,000 people or less, they completed the course, they took some action, and less than 1% of these 3,000 people started their independent freight dispatching agency. And some of them obviously make really good money, but majority of those people making about maybe $2,000 to $3,000 per month. Some people liked it, some people hate it. This is a business, and it's not for everybody. These 27,000 plus minus approximately, let's say this is majority of people, let's call it 90% of these people. What happened? I shared exact information, and then these people just watch a couple of modules, maybe a couple of videos, and they're gone. They stopped doing it, they're gone forever. And there is a reason why they did that, and I will share it with you in a moment. Then I have this 10% of the people, they're like really, they're hungry, they're hustlers, they want to do it. And then at some point, they realize that, hey, this is not for me, and then they just give up. And then less than 1%, there's like action takers. They're like, hey, I want to do this, I need more information from you, I need like one-on-one interaction with you, whatnot. And then they go deeper and deeper and deeper. And this is one of the reasons why they have the business. This is what we see on the surface. We'll look at the data, exact same information, everything is same. The manual is there, PDFs are there, downloadables, meaning the course is there. Like, what's happening? And this is where the Lego analogy comes in. If you like to build Legos, you know that there across the country, there are a lot of meetings, events where people join and build Legos. What I realized watching these people in these events, that most people out there, majority of people, although it's the same exact Lego, this is a motorcycle that we're building, and here is the box. You can see the complete version of it. This is what it is, and this is what we're building. And then what I realized, people watching other people's how they're doing it, and then basically following them along how they're doing it, and they building it. For some people, you will give them the manuals, you will give them the Lego pieces, and you tell them that, hey, this is what we were building, and they will do exactly how was what instructed in the manual, and they build it. And to me, it's like, okay, I think that's what happens when people teach. And this is why majority of these people, like 90% of the people, don't do it, is because they wanted to see you how you build, and they will follow you piece by piece, and then they will be successful. That's what I was missing, and that was the missing link, obviously. But there is something that people miss, and nobody shares this. There is a personal reason that gurus or mentors, they won't share this with you, but I wanted to share with you today so you can educate yourself, and you know that this happens in the industry where people teaching whatever. It could be independent freight dispatching, it could be how to start your YouTube channel, anything like that, how to start brokerage, how to start your trucking company. Know this, majority of those people, either they did it already and they're not doing it right now, maybe they're planning to do it. If they're doing it right now, they won't be able to teach you. Trucking is brutally competitive and capital intensive business. People won't have time to teach people how to, let's say, start your independent freight dispatching agency or start your trucking business. And let's talk about this category of people who've done it. Basically, these people teaching theory. And here's the deal. I include myself into this category because I've done it. A lot of people inside my community will be asking questions like, hey, Kamal, I wanted to see how you talk to a carrier. Hey, Kamal, I wanted to see how you talking to a broker. But I'm not doing it. I did it. I started my trucking company and I failed it. And I'm giving you step by step how you can avoid the mistakes that I did. So don't do these so you can be successful in trucking. Although I'm running consulting agency where I actively connect with load boards like DAT, 123 load board, I'm building communities and obviously building platforms for dispatching business or trucking business. I'm not dispatching. And this is the most overlooked issue that we have right now online when people teaching and then people hiding it. This is where I feel the emptiness. I'm not doing it. So why am I teaching it? Trucking is evolving. AI changed, technology evolving. There are a lot of innovations. So we need to adapt. Trucking is not same when it was, let's say, 2015. It's different than in 2025. Now, in the next year, you realize by now, a lot of rules already in place, a lot of new policies that affected trucking and dispatching and brokerage and anything in between. Personally think, and this is my personal opinion, that in 2026, this is what we start seeing a lot of big changes. That means in a good way. And I wanted to prepare myself, prepare my students. And this is what I wanted to do. I wanted to build independent freight dispatching agency myself. This will be absolutely not a theory. This will be a practice. This is where I will be doing it from scratch. You will see me doing it from ideation. That means, hey, I picked these company names, and here are the reasons why I picked these names. And I'm creating my brand, and this is why I picked these colors. And I'm creating my logo, and that's the reason why I picked this logo. And I'm picking this software, and I'm not picking this software, and there's a reason why not. And this is how I talk to carriers, and this is how I get carriers, and how I talk to brokers, and everything in between. The end result is I have up and running independent freight dispatching agency run in front of you with the carrier, paying customers, maybe 2-3 carriers, running the entire business, and I'm sharing every single aspect of it. And that's where the Lego analogy comes in, that, hey, I'll be building piece by piece, showing you, instead of giving you, hey, go ahead and do it, go ahead and build it. Instead, I want to build it right in front of you piece by piece so you can watch it. Some people will watch it and do it with me, or some people will watch it and do it later if they wanted to. And that's basically an idea. That's what I wanted to do from this point on. And I really wanted to do public video, public announcement, if you will. I said, hey, this is what I'm going to do it. This is what I will do from this point on. If I do it, I'll teach it. So if I do it or doing it, then I will share it and teach it how I do it. That's the plan. That's what I wanted to do. And obviously in this YouTube channel, I'll be sharing, documenting the journey. And the plan is every Tuesday, I'll be releasing video, what I did and how I did it. You will learn from it. And on Thursday, 1 p.m. Eastern time, I'm planning to go live every single week taking questions. And for the Tuesday videos, and here's the format, it will be like this. It's me talking to you. I want to hear from you. Hey, I want to engage with people. I want to engage with you. I want to hear from you and just be a human being, because it's real. I want to be real. I want to just talk to people. I want to just help people if they wanted to. That's the whole plan. And I'm not going to stop there. I want to grow into hiring dispatchers, and maybe you watching right now, you can be part of the team as well. And that's the plan. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button and subscribe, because I'll be posting videos and you'll get notified. Thank you.